In today's video, I'll be introducing you to the best Rasta trader with billions. Follow me as we get to know who he is.
Hi, Kira. Welcome to Akuma Village.
Wow, so that's the name of this area.
Yeah, Akuma Village.
Around which, like, can I get
So it's in Ashaman Estate, but we
Ashaman.
call this place Akuma Village.
Oh, okay. That's
Akuma,
nice.
like hat.
Thank you. You know I've been chasing you for some time now, right?
I know, right?
You told me today, tomorrow, Wednesday, Monday, and
And then meow.
anyway, finally I'm in your house.
Sure.
And I'm happy to be here.
I'm happy to have you.
I know you are one of the millionaire forex traders in Ghana, and you are big, but I don't know why you've been hiding yourself. You don't want us
I'm
to
big.
see you. Yes,
I don't know.
I've been seeing a lot about you on social media. If you look at the cash you've packed here. I don't need anybody. I don't need anybody to tell me.
We are grateful. And like you said, I've been in the space for some time now. I've been in the space for some time, but then I'm mostly. I keep saying probably I don't like stress. Let me say I don't like stress, so that is why you don't see me often. But yeah, that's just me. We are grateful.
All right, thank God. I know definitely someone is also watching this. The person would like to know more about you, and myself too. I'd like to know more about you. So, can you tell us a little about yourself?
You already know me, Kira.
Yes, I already know you. Okay, I know you as a forex trader. I know you trade gold. I know you are good at what you are doing.
Good,
and today you are going to be giving me some dollars as well.
Obviously.
Yeah, sure. So,
like you said, my name is Prince Tete.
Okay.
I'm a proud guy. Right? So yeah.
So where from the Yao Swinger?
Yao. Yes, I'm a Thursday born, so I'm Yao. But then the swinger, you know, once you become a forex trader, you are obviously looking at. You know, we have people who attach like Pura Forex.
Yeah.
We have the FX. So, well, I also wanted to have a unique name. And when I started trading, I started off as a swing trader actually, right? So swinger, like a swing trader. I just added my name Yao to the swing, so it's just Yao, swing trader, sort of. Yeah, but I don't swing anymore.
You don't swing anymore. Then you need to change your name. Yeah, obviously. Then you need to change your name.
Maybe I'll just change my name to Prince Tete.
Prince Tete. Okay. So how many years have you been trading?
Many years. Chance on Forex in 2012. So let's do the math.
2012 till now.
Yes.
Oh, no wonder. Then you're a big boy. That's how I've seen the guys line up like this. All right. So do you have a mentor?
Mentor. Hey. Maybe people I look from afar, but I don't have anyone I've gone to train me. But maybe I have people that I've looked from afar.
But did you learn from them?
No.
One way. You didn't learn from
I
anybody.
haven't.
So what inspired you to start trading for it?
Okay, so in 2012, we were a group of guys. I mean, we are all doing very well in the space now.
Okay.
I think one of us chanced on Forex, and then, I mean, like everyone, we saw people with, you know, like flashy mansions, the cars and everything. I think one guy from South Africa, right? So we all wanted to do it. So that was when we actually started trying to see if we can. So I remember we studied at Ghana Stock Exchange. I went to Ghana Stock Exchange to learn at GSE, I think in Accra. So we wanted to learn, so you find books and then you are reading more about it to actually know what this is, what that is. You are basically reading a lot to understand what this is. So it was basically that we were just reading, learning. I think around that time we have one of us who would learn from elsewhere. Do you understand? So we tap in and then we learn the technical aspects and stuff. So we didn't, you know, back then, 2012, there wasn't anybody here you could actually reach out to help you. It was more like learning from afar. learning from afar.
So what I want to know is, you cannot just chance on anything and then you start learning. I want to know what inspired you, because now that you've lined up these cards here, if I bring someone, the person will be eager to learn from it, because the person knows that, okay, you are making it, you have money and stuff like that. So what really inspired you?
Let me say this. This is what inspires me.
First of all, is it that you've seen that lifestyle on social media?
Like you rightfully said, I have them, I don't do it. So it wasn't about that.
Okay.
Do you understand? I have them, but I don't do it. It wasn't about that. No, lifestyle didn't inspire me. But I always want to make money.
Okay.
I'm somebody who I don't like stress, like I said. And if you don't have money, do you understand? So I always wanted to make money. I started off doing this sports bet. I did Lotto.
Wow.
Yes, my dad works with DNL.
There you
I collect at DNL. Yeah, so my life has been about put something here, wait for something, put something here. No, it wasn't. I'm not even doing quick money, but put something here, it should bring you something. Put something here, it should bring you something. Do you understand? It wasn't about it should be quick. No, if I put, the only thing that I always had in my mind is I wouldn't put 1,000 cedis somewhere and say I want 200 cedis, unless the 200 cedis is me putting the 1,000 cedis there wouldn't lose all my 1,000. Maybe if I have to do that, I'll lose 200.
Okay.
Do you get it? So I put 1,000 here. I expect to get 1,000 or more.
Okay.
So if you've been in my channel, you will see me talk about 1:1. That's basically what I'm saying. Either I take something. So if it's going to be 1,000 every day, I'm okay. Do you get it? So it wasn't about quick money. No. But it was me. I want to always have money. I want to always have money. So money motivates.
Are you a mentor yourself?
Yes, I am.
So you mentor people?
Yes.
Do you have an academy?
Yes, I do. I have an academy, but I will be very active from next year. It's stressful, Kira. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know how you guys do. So I constantly say that you guys are doing amazing. It's trading itself is stressful. So combining it is quite a work.
That's true. It's very stressful.
Yes, but then at certain times we notice that the community, the people need you. So you'd want to come in and help as best as you can. You get it. So yes.
So do you have any plan of having a physical academy, or you still maintain?
So you see, I've had a physical academy before. I'm sure you remember.
Yeah, sure,
yes.
Sure.
And then what I noticed that first and foremost, Forex in itself, people don't even think it's real. Did you get it? That's the difficulty we are facing now.
Yeah, sure.
People don't even think that Forex is real, and they feel Forex is a scam. And a lot of times I want to think about it. How is Forex a scam? If I understand that it's a place that I can actually lose, then why would I say it's a scam? Because if it has paid me before, when I was winning, Forex wasn't a scam. But when I lost, Forex became a scam. So I think first and foremost, people need to understand this concept first. Because when I had the physical academy, I realized, and I was doing it for free, people were not even coming.
Okay, for the physical academy.
People were not even coming. It's free. It was even free.
Don't you think it's because the people were not really, or people don't really know about Forex, and the news was not out there like now?
That is basically what I'm saying. So I think we need to put in more work to let people understand that Forex in itself is no scam. I mean, but if Kira, if you come and then you tell me that give me 1,000 cedis or give me $10,000 every month, I'll give you 20%, and I don't even know what to do. I mean, it would be hard for me to believe you unless you are someone who is very close to me, a friend. Then I would say, okay, what is it?
Yeah,
then now
true.
I would want to probe in.
That's true.
So we have people who are just using the name Forex to scam people.
A lot of people.
Do you understand? So Forex in itself is not a scam.
That's true.
It's always good that there are so many ways you can benefit from Forex. Even if you there are people who are, if myself, we offer copy trading. We have people who are taking signals. You can learn on your own to become great. So obviously.
So what you think now is that we should rather spread the news?
Probably. Forex is no scam. That we should let people have that faith again. Let's let them understand that it's a place that you can make money. However, it's also a place where you can actually also lose. Because you know, even brokers, we do forex through brokers, and even brokers put out that disclaimer. So I think it's good that we also do our part and then let the people understand what they are coming.
So I wanted to ask a funny question, but before that, what's your network?
Yes.
You want to keep it private?
I
No. I said network. I didn't say network.
I heard you clearly.
Oh,
That
come
was
on.
just for,
I didn't say network. Okay.
I don't know.
You don't want to talk about it, obviously.
Probably. I don't think I even know. I don't know.
You don't know? Oh, okay,
because
that's
maybe I
fine.
have to value everything I have, other projects I'm doing. I don't know.
That's true. Are you married?
But they said I'm married to you. The community said I'm married to you.
Ah, really? When
I
was
don't
that?
know.
Really?
Me, I hear
And I
it.
don't know about it. Wonderful.
Well, they said it. But I'm not.
You're not?
I'm actually getting married soon.
Soon. So it means you are dating. You want to sack all the ladies away. Anyway, let's just
For sure, I'm
bye.
dating.
You are dating.
Sure.
I think I've seen someone like that on your.
You know someone. You know someone.
Anyway, that's nice.
Yeah, sure.
So far, how many cars do you have?
How many cars?
Please, I don't want that below there lifestyle where you
Yeah,
can't
yeah,
even
yeah.
count your cars.
This is 1, 2, 3, 4. I gave my brother one.
Okay.
There's another one. So let's say 6, 7.
Woo! 7
7.
cars.
Yes.
Wow. So can you name them? All right. So you just name the ones you have
Okay.
here.
Let me name
yeah.
the ones I have here.
Mhm.
So that's BM 750 Li. That's a Mustang, Ford Mustang. It's a Veloster, and then Discovery.
Ooh, the pressure is getting worse. And how many houses do you have?
Oh, okay, houses. I'm actually starting a housing project, so I would want you to buy one. I would want you to buy one.
Okay.
I would want Habi, Jeff,
Yeah.
yes, the rest of you guys.
To own a house in Ghana.
Buy from me.
Buy from
Yes.
you. Don't worry. We will even advertise it for you. That's not a problem at all.
That's fine. So I think that's where we start.
Oh, okay. So already you said the reason why you are called a swinger is because you were once a swinger and now you are a day trader. But why did you shift from swinging to trading? Day trading?
Like I said, when I chanced on Forex, they call me Forex Bob Marley. Obviously, you know who Bob Marley is.
Yeah, sure.
It's me wanting to actually understand what Forex is actually about. Is it really true? What we see out there? Is everything true? Is it true that everyone will be successful through Forex? Like, you get it? So it's been something that, so when I was also doing swing trading, I noticed that, let's say I'll be in a trade from Monday, Tuesday, blue, Wednesday, blue, Thursday, Friday, you come back and it's red.
Yeah.
And
That is swinging.
you get it? And when I started, I was a retail trader. Like, if I had money already, I'll probably be somewhere, look for someone who's a good trader, and then give money to the person to do it for me. Do you understand? But I didn't have money. So to start from Monday, Friday, you end up with nothing. Means so I wanted to take each day at a time. Today, what did I get? Tomorrow, I lost.
Oh, okay.
Tuesday, what did I get? So I wanted to take each day at a time, like, because that's how you go. It's one break a day. Do you understand? And then I was a retail trader. I didn't have money. If today I want to be a swing trader back, that's fine. Maybe I don't have enough time, so I would probably want to put in my trigger and then I'm gone. You get it? But aside that, I don't think. So yes, I had to just move back because I was a retail trader. I didn't have enough money. I wanted to know what I make today, what I don't make, and that was just it.
Okay, so all you want to say is that you just want to know how much you make in a day. That's why. So what's your biggest win in a day?
Biggest win in a day. Maybe, I think there was this day that we made about about $65,000.
$65,000. Ooh, guys, you just heard that right. All right. So what about your biggest loss?
Happened recently.
Just recently.
Yes, 140,000.
Okay.
140,000.
I see. 140,000. So how did you feel?
You see, I still feel it.
So now.
Yes, I still feel it because, well, in as much as it's money, probably I'll say I made it from Forex or something. I got money through Forex, but I've been doing other things. You understand? So it's still my money. It still became my money. So I was still attached to the money, and then I had some couple of investors to redeem.
So when you lose money, what do you do?
You see, when I lose money by doing what I know and what I believe, I'm comfortable. You understand? Okay, so this one, I didn't lose it trading it myself, right? So I lost it to one of my robots.
Oh,
yes.
Okay.
You know, I recently went through a procedure, so I was, going to the hospital back and forth. So I had to give it to a robot to trade for me whilst I was away. So I feel I didn't lose it. You understand? I personally didn't lose it, but it's had a toll on me.
But how do you recover from losses?
Market will always be here.
I see.
That's how I recover. Market will always be here. So I'll still go back, take each day at a time. So I'll still make money. And I'm still going to lose money and I'll still make money.
So what's your best bet?
Obviously, you said it, gold.
Gold.
Master of gold. I've been so good with gold that the people call me gold machine. You understand? I didn't call myself gold machine. The people call me gold machine because I've been able to make gold so simple to the fact that anybody that I train wants to do gold.
Oh,
so
okay.
I'm just producing gold traders.
That's
Gold. Anybody that I train will just feel like I love gold because gold becomes, you know what people say about gold?
Yeah, I know.
That's why we have people who would say they are learning to become gold champions.
Yeah.
No. Gold is different. So to get to that height, for people to say I'm a machine, now I'm producing
that's
gold
why sometimes
babies.
I'll
Gold
give
babies.
the gold signal. So I'll give it buy. I'll go back and look at my car. Why is he saying buy when I'm saying sell?
You see, so
you're good at what you do.
It's just gold.
Yeah.
Gold.
So what strategy do you work? I know you have a strategy. Yes. I want to know more about that.
So I use YSDB, which is Yao Swingers directional bias.
Okay.
So it's my unique day trading strategy that allows you to trade the financial market profitably without doing any form of technical or fundamental analysis. Like I told you in the past, I told you that I don't like stress.
Yeah.
So when I chanced on Forex, technical was so stressful for me.
Yeah.
I found it very stressful. So I wanted to find a way to trade without technical analysis. And then God being so good, YSDB is here, and then it's doing wonders.
So in directional bias, you don't do anything like technical. What about fundamental?
No fundamental. But we keep saying that YSDB and news, we have this thing that we do. We say they move together.
It's like 1 and 2.
Yes, like 1 and 2. So if my bias is let's say a buy for the day, a lot of times if there is news, that's a fundamental. It just goes in that direction. Yes. So out of 10 news, we only have 2 not playing the bias. We have about 8. So I have students who don't even do anything. They are just doing news. They are just there. So yesterday, NFT, they'll just be there. They look at this thing. Okay, it's buy. They buy. If it goes in their direction, if it doesn't, but they know that out of 10, 8 will be valid. So.
Yeah, I wanted to also ask if you trade for investors, but you said that earlier. So
yeah, I do. I do. Yes, I need to talk about. I still need business. You have investors. Probably someone who want to invest in me. I trade for investors.
What's your minimum?
I trade for investors. Now God being so good, my team. We have decided that even if it's $200 that you claim that you have and you don't have time.
Oh, I don't have time.
No problem. You can just copy our trades. You just copy, you download the socials and then you just copy and then you don't give your money to me. That's the good thing I say to people. Don't give, if someone wants to, well, I don't know, let me not talk about anybody's business, but then I feel in Forex you can just create the account yourself and then put your money in your account, you would have the control, and then you just give the logins to the trader. If the trader is doing something that you don't find comfortable or not within your agreement, please, personally, any investor that comes close to me, I tell the investor that when you give me your money, it is only 30% that is at risk.
Yeah.
So it means if you give me $100,000 now, you don't expect that, what's the name? I can lose up to 30,000 because you have to assume 30% of your capital. So if it's within that frame and I'm doing well, why do you cut? You don't cut. So we have a strict term around that. You understand? But if I'm doing something that I feel, hey, what's this guy doing? You can, it's your money and then you are controlling. You can just spend everything, you get it. And then, yeah, so yes, I trade for investors. I trade for sophisticated investors. I've managed $1 million accounts. I trade any amount of money. That's why I'm saying that now it's even good because my team, we are introducing the copy trader that allows even $200 people to jump on board. So sure.
All right, guys. So you've heard him. He said even if you have $200, you can contact him, and then he'll trade on your behalf, or you can also copy their trades. If you are loving this conversation, just hit the thumbs up or leave a comment in the comment section. What's your favorite quote?
Favorite quote?
Favorite quote of life?
I have of life. Maybe, but first let me thank God.
But first, let me tell you, yeah, I've been saying that. Yeah, oh, okay, no wonder.
Yeah,
oh.
maybe I'll go with that. I have a couple of things that I keep on the wall to constantly remind me, like surviving is winning. Yeah. But I will choose, but first, let me thank God.
I see. So, what plans do you have for Ghanaian youth now that you are very successful in this industry?
All right, so I think I had this discussion with my team. So next year, I would use your platform to say this. Next year, like I said, I would be training a couple of people. You understand? So I would be, I think, together with Frank, we would be having a unit tour, and not, I wouldn't even call it a unit tour, because I intend training 100,000 youths for free.
Oh,
yes,
okay.
for free. I mean, the technical knowledge for free. We want to just give it to people because, like I keep on saying, once we are going to let people understand that this is how the business is like, it's important that we give them, because at the end of the day, Kira, you know, nobody is going to ask you what is Forex and then you answer Forex is X, and then they give you $5,000. No. And it's when you have hit buy or sell that you make money. Do you understand? I have a unique strategy. I know you have a unique strategy.
Yeah, sure.
But there are a lot of information on the internet which are free. And we have brokers that even offer free trainings and stuff like that. And I keep telling the Ghanaian, you see, the fact that it is free doesn't mean that it is not good.
Yeah.
Do you understand? So they should take advantage. So I would be using this opportunity to bless people with the technical knowledge. I mean, the technical knowledge that people know. And then Frank also has a simplified one too that he also shares to people for free. I've been doing free beginners, and then he has been doing free technicals. So it was just wise that we team up and then give the youth, because I just give them the free beginners and then he gives them the technical knowledge. So that is what we intend doing. So there will be a lot of media talk around it. And then once you get the opportunity, just roll on.
Yeah,
then
sure.
learn.
You just have to utilize
Just
it.
roll on and then learn. My
So-
focus would actually be on people who are even honestly, people I feel they can't pay to get knowledge. It's just free, so take advantage. You just push them and learn it.
Yeah,
And learn it.
That's a great idea. So you just heard him, right? From next year, they'll be having free education for you who don't have money to pay for mentorship. Me, if you come to me, I'll charge. It's not for free, but he will be teaching for free. So what advice do you have for beginner traders and already existing traders?
Yeah, so I would just say they should be consistent. They should be consistent. I mean, if you are in peerage mentorship, don't be in a haste to leave unless you have seen that this thing didn't really work for you.
Yeah.
Do you understand? Like, we have people. So I was telling them yesterday on my live, on my Instagram live, I do Psychology Friday every Friday. So on my live, I told them after I've seen Kira and then I'm motivated and I have the skill, maybe now I've learned from Kira, so I have the skill, I'll go off social media. I don't need the noise.
Yeah, that's true.
Because now I have the skill.
Yeah.
So I'll go off, sit by the chat. Whatever skill that I have, hit it every day. Come back every day. Do what is there, and then once it is paying, I've seen that it's true, the thing works. Then I do it over and over and over. And as I make money, I get things for myself. I lost 140,000. If I didn't get some things for myself, how would I be proud?
Yeah. How would
We
you
have people
feel?
who are saying that they are taking money to a certain place, yet they don't even have. Let's say I'm flipping $100 to $5,000. I flip to 1,000. Maybe I don't have $1,000, so I've never seen $1,000.
Yeah, sure.
I will not take, but I still want to get to 2,000. So when I lose it, then I come back and say, Forex is a scam. Like, do you get it? How is it a scam? So for me, I believe in, if I haven't seen the money before, I'll not go beyond it.
Okay.
That's why I grew.
Yeah, I see.
2,000. I've not seen 2,000 before I take it. I go and buy what 2,000 can also buy. Let me also enjoy the 2,000 lifestyle.
Of course.
You understand?
Of course.
Then when I get to the 5,000, I go and buy what the 5,000 people also
That
buy.
is it. That's how you grow.
That's how you grow.
From 1 to 2, then up to 10.
So they should stay consistent. Go off social media once you have the skill, and then become
Then grow
great.
from there.
Once you are great, come back and motivate the others.
That's true.
And this is what I've chanced on.
All right, so this is one question I always ask all Forex students. How did you get money to fund yourself or fund
Good.
your trading account?
Good.
Because I know we have a lot of
Good.
people who are struggling, even people who already have the skill but do not have funds. So how did you get funds?
This is a great question. And I keep telling people, I'm not coming to tell you, yes. So let me say this. Once upon a time, I sold ice cream in Pillar 2. So yes, that is the story. Hey, every rich man has sold this, I've done this. Yes, I did it. But that is not what gave me money
Okay.
to trade Forex. You understand? I was surviving, I was living. I'm just trying to let people understand that, see, don't go out and begging. I was in university by then. But I was selling ice cream because I love football. So obviously, when I went to the field, I noticed that a lot of people come. Then let me sell ice cream within. Do you understand? That's what I was doing to survive my university days. You get it? Now, when I got that, remember I said university days we chanced on Forex. So even if it's just $20 that I have, I would use it. I will live off that $20 till God knows when.
Yeah, sure.
So I'll be doing it bit by bit till it blows. And then if within, I'm able to withdraw to, I'm withdrawing because I'm living off. You understand? I got so good with small money that when I went to somebody and then I said, oh, I have a skill.
Yeah.
Give me 1,000, you see what I'll do. The person gave me.
Oh, okay.
Do you
That's a
understand?
blessing. Maybe that's a special blessing. Not
No, if
everybody
you are
has
good,
that
see,
luck.
Kira, there's money. There's money. There are a lot of people who have money, they don't even know where
What
to
to
put
use
it
it.
because a lot
Yeah.
of things, a lot of I'll give you this, bring 10%.
Yeah,
Bullshit,
sure.
do you understand? So people don't even, but if you are so good, me, I keep saying it, I'm good. If you are ready, call me. Me, I'll bring you evidence.
Yeah,
I'll
that's
bring
the
you
truth.
resource.
Yeah.
That's just it. And then if you have money and want me to do it, I'll do it for you. That is how I was. Even when I was, you know, Kira, when I was creating YSDB, I used the friends' raw money to learn it, like to build up on it.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, I just get good at what you do. Because I keep saying, Kira, if you can manage $100, you can manage 1,000.
Because it's the same thing you need to apply.
You can't manage
That's
10,000.
the
Now I remember those days. We'd be making noise like, "Charlie, if we get 10,000 right now, what we'll do?" The 10,000 when it hits the account and you see it, your first buy or sell that you hit, you run
That's the
away.
truth, though.
You run away.
Anyway.
You know that the money is not for you.
Anyway.
You get so get good with the small ones.
Yeah, that's
Show it to
people
who
and
are
they'll
good,
invest
and
in
then they'll
you.
definitely invest in you.
That's fine. All right, so I know someone is watching. The person would like to connect with you. So can you share your social media handle with us?
Okay, so Yao Swinger
Everywhere.
Yao Swinger everywhere. YAWSWINGER everywhere. But I'm mostly active on Telegram. Sure.
Alright. Guys, I hope you heard him and you've learned something new, and I'm also sure that you are motivated by whatever he said. If you really love this video and you enjoyed it, just hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and also leave a comment. See you in the next video, and peace out.